Hello students, we are going to discuss about effect of noise pollution and control and preventive measures of noise pollution. One by one we will discuss. First one, effect of noise pollution. Noise can do psychological and or psychological damage if the volume is high or if exposure is prolonged. Common effects of noise pollution are hearing loss, loud noise damage fine hair cell in the ear. The vibration of these hair cells is responsible for hearing of sound by us. Since our body cannot replace damaged hair cell, permanent hearing loss is caused by long-term exposure to loud noise. Annoyance. It creates annoyance to the receptor due to sound level fluctuation. Psychological effect. Psychological effect like breathing difficulty, rise in blood pressure, migraine, headache, constriction of blood vessels and even heart attack. Other effects of noise pollution. Human performance. Working of human will be affected as they will lose their concentration. Nervous system. It causes pain ringing in ear, feeling of tiredness, thereby affecting functioning of human system. Sleeplessness. It affects the sleeping, thereby inducing the people to become restless and lose concentration and a presence of mind during their activities. Effects on animals. Noise can cause serious damage to wildlife. Ways in which animals are adversely affected by noise pollution include hearing loss, masking. Masking is the inability to hear important environmental clues and animal signals. Psychological effect such as increase in heart rate, respiratory difficulties and stress. Behavioral effect which could result in abandonment of territory and loss of ability to reproduce. Ecological effect. It leads to migration of birds which disturb the ecosystem. Effect on plant. Production capacity or growth of plant is affected due to high level noise. Damage to material. Building and material may get damaged by exposure to infrasonic or ultrasonic waves and even get collapsed. Control of noise pollution. What are the preventive measures to control noise pollution? Noise is not only a nuisance but a serious environmental problem and a health hazard. Like all other pollution, noise pollution is needed to be controlled. Noise pollution can be effectively controlled by taking following measures. First one, control at receiver end. For people working in noisy area, air protection aid like earplug, muff, noise helmet, headphone, etc. should be provided. It reduces occupational exposure. Controlling at the source. This is only possible if working method is improved. Design new machine to replace noisy one. Proper lubrication and better maintenance of machine. Installing noisy machine with a sound absorbing material. Using silencer to control noise from automobile. Next control measure, zoning. Increase the distance between source and receiver by zoning of noisy industrial area like bus stand, railway station, away from silent zone, near residential areas, educational institutions and hospitals. Are you clear? Okay. So next control measure, sound insulation. Sound insulation can be done by constructing windows with more than one pane of glass and filling the gap with a sound absorbing material. Acoustical tiles, perforated plywood can be fixed on wall, ceiling, floor to reduce noise. Next one, planting of trees. This is also one of the preventive measures of noise pollution. Planting of trees and shrubs along road, hospital, education institution help in noise reduction to a considerable extent. Legislative measures, strict legislative measures need to be enforced to control the nuisance of noise pollution. Some of the measures are minimum use of loudspeaker near silent zone, banning pressure horn in automobile, framing a separate noise pollution act. Okay, so these are the control measures of noise pollution. Very clear. Okay, thank you for your attention.